Looking for a portable sewing solution that won't break your bank? Handheld sewing machines have completely revolutionized quick repairs and on-the-go stitching. Whether you're dealing with a wardrobe malfunction, traveling, or just need something compact for small projects, these tiny powerhouses can literally save your day. I've personally tested dozens of models, and I've narrowed it down to the absolute best performers available right now. Make sure you check those links in the description box for current pricing and availability. Let's dive in. Kicking off our countdown is the Singer handheld portable version. And honestly, this little machine punches above its weight class. What makes this stand out is its incredible battery life. You can literally sew for hours without worrying about finding an outlet. The compact white design fits perfectly in your travel bag, making it ideal for business trips or vacations. This machine handles lightweight fabrics like cotton, silk, and denim remarkably well. I was genuinely impressed by how smoothly it glides through multiple fabric layers. The single-thread operation means you'll get consistent stitching every single time. And that battery indicator, it prevents those annoying mid-project shutdowns that we all hate. Now, here's the thing, and I'm being completely honest with you here. While it's fantastic for beginners and emergency repairs, don't expect miracles with heavy materials like leather or thick canvas. It's designed for quick fixes and light sewing projects, not industrial strength work. But the price point? Absolutely reasonable for what you're getting. This machine has helped countless users save money on professional repairs while building their confidence with basic sewing skills. If you're just starting your sewing journey or need a reliable backup for quick fixes, this Singer model delivers consistent results every single time. Coming in at number 4, we have the Hilitand Mini, and the name says it all. This is seriously compact. I'm talking about fitting in your glove compartment compact. But don't let the size fool you, because this tiny machine produces surprisingly tight, even stitches that rival much larger models. What really impressed me about the Hilitand is its precision. Users consistently report that it handles delicate fabrics better than expected, making it perfect for hemming pants, fixing loose seams, or tackling those annoying buttonholes that come undone. The lightweight construction means your hand won't cramp during longer sessions. The ultra-portable design makes it ideal for dorm rooms, small apartments, or anyone with limited storage space. Plus, it's so quiet you can use it while watching TV without disturbing anyone. Now, here's the honest truth, and I'm always telling you the real deal. The small size means a smaller spool capacity, so you'll be reloading thread more frequently on bigger projects. It's definitely built for quick repairs rather than extensive sewing sessions. But for the price, you're getting incredible value. This machine has earned rave reviews from users who needed something reliable for travel emergencies or quick touch-ups. If portability is your top priority and you're dealing with lighter fabrics, the Hilitand Mini delivers exactly what it promises without any unnecessary bells and whistles. Sliding into the third spot is the DAPRIL handheld, and this one's gaining serious momentum in the sewing community. What sets DAPRIL apart is their commitment to user education. They provide some of the best instructional videos I've seen, making this incredibly beginner-friendly. The triple power options are genius. Plug it in for heavy-duty sessions, use batteries for portability, or connect via USB for ultimate convenience. This flexibility means you're never stuck without power, whether you're at home, in a hotel, or even camping. The eco-friendly materials used in construction show DAPRIL's attention to sustainability without compromising durability. Users report that this machine handles patch repairs beautifully, and the stitch quality remains consistent across different fabric types. The Amazon reviews are genuinely impressive, with users praising its reliability for clothing alterations and quick fixes. The instructional support means you'll actually know how to use all its features properly, no guesswork involved. One thing to consider, and I want to be upfront with you here, the multiple power options mean more accessories to keep track of, which could be overwhelming for some users. However, most find the versatility worth the slight complexity. What makes this a solid investment is its versatility. Whether you're hemming curtains, fixing backpacks, or altering clothes, the DAPRIL consistently delivers professional-looking results. The learning curve is minimal thanks to their excellent support materials, making it perfect for anyone wanting to expand their sewing skills. Taking the second position is the Ausarox Heavy Duty, and wow, this is where things get serious. This isn't just a sewing machine, it's a complete sewing solution that arrives with an elegant wooden box and an incredible 153-piece sewing kit. The heavy-duty designation isn't marketing fluff, folks. This machine genuinely handles thicker fabrics and multiple layers better than most handheld competitors. Users report successfully working with denim, canvas, and even light leather projects. The coreless operation gives you complete freedom of movement. What really impresses me is the complete package approach. You're not just getting a machine, you're getting everything needed to start serious sewing projects immediately. The wooden organizer box isn't just pretty, it's functional storage that keeps everything organized and portable. The safety features are noteworthy, making it suitable for both beginners learning proper techniques and experienced sewers who need reliable performance. Recent reviews consistently highlight its durability and consistent stitch quality. That's what I love to see. The potential downside, and I'm keeping it real with you here, is the learning curve. With more power comes slightly more complexity, so absolute beginners might feel initially overwhelmed by all the included accessories and options. However, the value proposition is outstanding. You're essentially getting a starter sewing workshop that can grow with your skills. For anyone serious about developing their sewing abilities or needing reliable performance for varied projects, the Ausarox represents exceptional long-term value. And claiming our top spot is the Singer's Stitch Sew Quick, and there are excellent reasons why this consistently dominates handheld sewing machine discussions. Singer's reputation for reliability translates perfectly into their handheld model, delivering professional results in an incredibly user-friendly package. This machine excels at what handheld sewers need most: reliable, quick mending, and small project completion. The intuitive operation means you can literally start using it within minutes of unboxing. No complicated setup or confusing instructions required. The optimal performance on lightweight textiles makes it perfect for everyday repairs that would otherwise require expensive professional alterations. Users consistently report saving hundreds of dollars annually by handling their own quick fixes and adjustments. Now that's what I call smart shopping. The bundle options with assorted thread colors are brilliant. You'll have the right thread for virtually any project right from the start. The single thread operation eliminates the threading complexity that frustrates many users with traditional machines. The honest consideration, because I always give you the full picture, is that it's specifically designed for lightweight fabrics and smaller projects. If you're planning extensive thick fabric work, you'll need something more robust. But here's why it earns the top spot: consistency and reliability. This machine delivers exactly what it promises every single time. Whether you're hemming pants, fixing loose buttons, or handling emergency repairs, the Singer's Stitch Sew Quick provides professional quality results with minimal learning curve. It's the perfect balance of capability, ease of use, and value. These 5 handheld sewing machines offer something for everyone, from beginners to experienced crafters. Remember to check those description links for the latest deals and customer reviews. Happy sewing, and thanks for watching.